Hello, and welcome to a new episode of the Black Cosplay Kitchen. I am your host, Navas Cole, cosplaying today as none other than one of the baddest of the bad, the devil. Now, I decided to do this because actually not inspired by one particular devil, but because there's so many iterations that you see in every show that you can think of. From Powerpuff Girls, you see him, and you also get a lot of that in South Park, and just every various show, there's always some semblance of good and evil or some appearance of the devil in one form or another. So this is my personal take on the Dark One himself, or herself, who knows. But in any case, we're going to have fun today making something that is really going to be a sinful delight for you. You know, one of those big, nasty cheeseburgers that taste so good going down, but you might kind of regret it later on. Yeah, we're making one of those today. So today, we're actually doing a surf and turf burger, but we're going to call it the as above, so below burger today. And it's got a lot of great toppings on it. And we're gonna get a little rough using one of my favorite tools in the kitchen, the cast iron skillet again. So y'all stay tuned and let's get started. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna get started with our as above, so below burger. I don't. What kind of sound does the devil make? Like, it's not a tiger. I don't know. Okay, fuck it. Let's just move on. So we're gonna start first with sauteing up some onions and mushrooms with a little bit of black pepper. So there we go. A little light applause happening. That's how we know that our oil is ready. Our skillet is ready to begin, because we don't cook with cold oil, right? Right, okay? And we preheated our cast iron on low, and we can always build it up. So now that we've got some huge mushrooms in here, I am going to crack a little black pepper on over these. Alright, so now we're just gonna saute our mushrooms up. And they are looking and smelling beautifully. So if you're new to sauteing or getting mushrooms and things like that going, where the onions are concerned, I just want them to be a little bit brown. I don't want them to be completely raw. So still, like, I want it to pack the flavor, but not have that super funky, skunky smell that you get with raw onions. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So this is actually looking very good. And then, so from here, once we get our mushrooms and onions out, I'm actually gonna go ahead and prep our bun, because we're gonna build this up pretty quickly. So with the bun, I don't know if y'all have ever seen this, but I'm all for toasting a bun. I feel like toasting a bun completely changes the way that things taste when you make a burger. But I'm seeing people slather it with mayonnaise and then put it face down on the grill. Have y'all ever seen this? Have you ever tried this? Well, no worries, we're about to do it today. But I decided to actually make it a little bit different, because I'm gonna top this with 3 different cheeses as we build it up. We'll get into that a little bit later. Don't jump ahead. Don't jump ahead. But I'm gonna kick it up with our bun just a little bit too. So y'all will like this. I promise. You'll be into it. So since our onions are looking beautiful and our mushrooms are browning and smelling divine, they are going to make excellent toppings for our burger, which is going to be, I hope y'all got cheat days lined up or something, because this is definitely not going to be one of those feel good, light, healthy meals, and, you know, I feel so great, like I could probably run a marathon after this. It's not going to be a thing for you. This is 100% the I might feel bad about myself. I might not be able to look at myself in the mirror after eating this burger type of meal. All right, so let's go ahead and move these out. I'm gonna put them back in the bowl that I first dumped them from. And let's get those buns over here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now that we have our buns ready, we're gonna set these to the side and get started on the surf part of our surf and turf as above, so below burger. So I actually already pre-seasoned my meat because I realized we don't have a lot of time, and as much as I love to show y'all what I'm shaking into a sauce or something, that's all good and gravy, but today we kind of need to be together and getting on it. So I'm actually gonna dump some minced garlic into our skillet to go with our shrimp. That's a lot of applause. I appreciate it thoroughly. Thank you. Thank you. See, even just to somebody evil, I get the applause. I like it. Okay, so the shrimp that I'm using today are actually red Argentine shrimp. They are raw and they are pre-cleaned and deveined. I know a lot of people got a lot of mixed feelings about shrimp, but I mean, they still cool with me, so we eating them today. And they are smelling divine and fragrant, especially, not only because of that garlic, but I actually pre-seasoned these with a little garlic powder, smoked paprika, and a little bit of Siracha Salt as well. So because we're cooking in a hot skillet, these won't take very long. So we'll just give them a few minutes before we flip them over. All right, y'all. Look at them scrumps. They're looking so fine. They're cooking up so nicely. All that garlic goodness in the cast iron. It's looking on point. All right, some of these are ready for the flip. They do not take long, so yeah. When they start to look like this guy, they're ready. All right, so now we got our gorgeous and fragrant succulent shrimp coming out. Bring them out, bring them out. All right. We are going to get started on its strongest co-star here, our beef patties. So what I decided to do with this, actually, we are gonna have a double patty going on here. And so I pre-seasoned these as well. And they are actually seasoned with a little ground black pepper, blackened seasoning, smoked paprika, Sriracha salt, and a little dash of seasoning salt. Because I didn't want to go overboard with the salt seasoning because I already had the Sriracha salt and I already had the seasoning salt together. And quite honestly, yeah, I want to have you guys enjoy a good sinful burger, but I also don't want to give you high blood pressure and diabetes. Like, I need your viewership, so if y'all start dying because of heart disease and stuff, that ain't gonna do me no good. So I'm trying to lower the salt content on things. Okay? Y'all like that? I like it too. Okay, good. So we gotta have a heart because I'm dealing with a burger here today. We're talking beef, y'all. People, I know that a lot of y'all are accustomed to eating meat like hockey pucks. I know a lot of y'all like to eat meat well done in every single case. But I gotta tell you, you don't have to make everything well done. It's okay to leave a little bit of pink. I will say there are exceptions, like if you got that, 99-cent special over at the Pick and Save and it looks a little suspicious, yeah, cook that shit through till ain't nothing left to be, like, there should be no pink in that. It's probably just spray painted red, quite honestly. Like, yeah, that stuff you have to cook all the way through. But when you have quality meats, You don't have to do that. Just a heads up, because I love you, and like I said, I'm no professional chef, but I want y'all to be eating better. So let's make that the thing, okay? All right, we'll start small, like a hamburger, okay? So today, I'm not aiming to cook this well because I want it to be a little juicy. This meat is a little leaner than I wanted, but there wasn't a lot of options. Like, honestly, if I'm making a burger, I would like to use 80-20, maybe 70-30, depending on where the meat comes from. Again, I know everybody doesn't have those choices and those selections, but because this is leaner meat, this is actually 90-10. Not for a burger, y'all. I wanted it to be a little fattier, but this, we're not gonna cook all the way through because it is so lean, and I want it to be juicy, and I want it to burst in, it's just spill juice all over the place, and I'm drooling a little bit because it already smells good. So, the other thing that you all need to know is that, so, because we're about to start building on top of this, and our cheeses are going to be a big piece in this. Yes, there's cheese, a lot of it. So I'm actually going to use 3 different types of cheese today. We got Havarti pure cream cheese coming up. Are you ready for that? Okay. Next, we got Swiss cheese in the lineup. I mean, Swiss cheese with mushrooms, oh, you can't beat it. And then finally, this was an all-star player. He's an oldie but a goodie. White American cheese. Like, calm yourselves. Try to maintain some kind of self-control here. All right. So while that is going, I'm actually gonna grab our cheeses out and start building, because I'm gonna top our beautiful mushrooms and onions that we had. That's going on, and that's going under 1 layer of cheese. Then we got another layer of cheese coming between the next 2 patties, and then another layer of cheese going onto the bun. Are you guys down for that? All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, so we are all plated up with our finished product of our as above, so below surf and turf burger here on the Black Cosplay Kitchen. It's delicious. It's dripping a little bit. I've been trying to clean it up so it at least looks nice for y'all for the first bite, but it smells too good. I'm ready to get into this. So y'all ready for the first bite? All right, let me close this bun up and see if I can fit it all in my mouth. Ain't the first time I've had struggles with that, but you know, today we're gonna make an exception. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Everything's falling out of it. All right, 1, 2, Oh my God. It's juicy. The seasoning came together just right. The combo of cheeses, y'all. Oh my gosh. I gotta throw the shrimp in my mouth because it missed the chance to be in there too. I gotta do another bite in. I don't want to talk to you about my mouth full because it's too good. But y'all, if you want to try it, tell me how you made it. If you make it exactly the way I did, let me know how you liked it. You can talk to me in the comments below. Or you can message me directly on my Instagram. But I look forward to you guys coming back to join me again for one more episode of the Black Cosplay Kitchen for more food, fun, and cosplay. Y'all have a good one.